Here's everything it comes with. This is the Conair Infiniti Pro DigitalAIRE drying wand. Let's see what's inside. You get the main drying wand along with all of the attachments and instructions. Get the volumizing brush, straightening and smoothing, detangling and stretching pick, and the curl enhancing diffuser. The controls are built directly into the handle for easy access while you're drying. This is where the airflow comes out. And look how long this cord is. I love a good cord length. It has the cord strap to keep your cord nice and tidy. And it comes with this storage pouch that makes it easy and convenient to travel with. It has room for the cord and the drying wand and a separate pouch to place all of your accessories. Now it's easy, convenient, and all in one spot. With a carrying handle. And look at that cute bag.